What? How did that happen? Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Techie Div. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get accessibility shortcuts and customize your home pages and dock screens, so home screen and all that. So first you're going to go to accessibility, and then you'll go all the way down, then you'll see all this accessibility shortcuts that you could do on your stuff. So I'm going to do classic invert colors, and then I'm going to do smart invert colors. Reduce white point I would do. That's good. Color filters. Okay, yeah, I think that it. Yeah, that's it. And then you're gonna triple click the home button, and then it's gonna come up color filters, reduce white point, and all that. So, and then I'm going to reduce white point, and then classic invert, and then back on color filters, and then it's gonna turn like a black and white screen. So, just like that, guys. So that was the end of the video. So bye.